My name,
Go ahead.
my name's Lee.
I'm Caroline Cohen, Powell, Ohio.
We've been here for 5 years. This is kind of has been our dream house since we got here, and this patio was my dream. It was within a couple years there was areas that were starting to sink. It was starting to get overtaken with moss in between the joints on it. I had looked at a company that was local.
We hired them to do repairs, sealing, and filling for the patio. And within 1 week, we saw damages, and after 4 months, it was completely deteriorating. I had a whole tier that just came off.
And moss started growing back in a month.
It looked worse in 4 months than it looked in 12 years.
The one thing we love about being out here is we bring a TV out, we prop it out over here, we have drinks out here, we have a fire going, we watch a movie out here, we've had friends out here, and this is our large social area, and it was just too frustrating to look at day in and day out.
So I knew that Perfect Paver Patio had 5-star reviews across the board. That's all you guys did were paver patios. I saw the reviews. You fixed them. You guys I didn't see anything less than a 5-star review. Immediately when we contacted Paver Patio, talked to Katie, and she explained to me that you guys were local, that you were a local Ohio company. I was so impressed by her. And then she looked at the videos and said, let me send somebody out. When Scott came out, he told me in detail how and what occurred when they had to strip that other sealant off my patio. And the amazing part was he thoroughly went through every single thing. And then I got the communication from Joey and his team for the work. When they were gonna show up, what time, and they were always prompt, they were always on time, and the work was mind-blowing.
So we were on vacation in Texas last week, and we had a dog sitter that took pictures for us because that's when you were finishing up the project. And even from the pictures, it was like looking at a brand new patio. It was like we almost wish we could go home early just so we could go see our patio.
And then Dustin came, God bless Dustin, because Dustin did this whole patio by himself. So he stripped it, and then he came and he filled it, and then he sealed it. And he was amazing. So when we got back from Dallas, our vacation, it was 8 o'clock at night. First thing we did was come through the garage, out the back door, through our deck, downstairs. I had the light on my phone.
We were using our phones to light up the deck just so we could see what it looked like.
And we turned on these, and we were like, man, you even said...
Even at nighttime, you can see the difference.
And he even said it feels different on my feet.
I could feel the physical stones. The other stuff was like a glaze that it just didn't feel right and definitely didn't look right. This I knew just walking over it. I'm like, yeah, this is what it was supposed to be from the beginning. This is probably how it was when it was first built.
And every day we walk out, we just walk through the patio like, oh my gosh, we love it. We can't wait to put the furniture back on it.
Yeah.
We're planning our fire, we're planning everything, cook out, have people over. We love it. We absolutely love it. If you have a patio that doesn't look great and needs work, Perfect Paver Patio is definitely worth every penny, because you're going to get it right the first time.